We got some half-price crack ties, some miles and miles of carpet tiles, TVs, deep freeze and David Bowie LPs, pool games, gold chains, what's names and header push, some Trevor Francis tracksuits from a mush and Shepherd's Bush. Push, 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 push. No income tax, no VAT, no money.
Oh, that's been a long time. I tell you about the tank.
What are you doing? I was watching that.
Right, let's see.
Oh, wicked.
I was watching that, Wesley.
I'm watching this, alright? Shut up.
You need to...
I'm going out.
What's a blinker?
The original trilogy. And now, Nacho Libre is a fantastic DVD.
Oi, Margaret, Scarfham. Well, then I've got a banana then. They're mine. Oi, that's my computer, get off it!
Dove cream oil with 10 times more natural oil than regular.
Well, then I'll put TV then. Oh, that's my TV!
All-in-one liquid socket pads, specially designed to tackle all your cold sections when you're on the go. Part of the all-in-one.
Ring of Honor. Define...
Right, then I'll go clean my room then.
Oi, that's my room! That's my car!
Get back.
My water! That's my grate! That's my glass!
Ugh.
Yeah, I'm taking the control out of my...
What a great Christmas we're going to have then.
Who's that?
I'd best not be Pete.
Oh, you alright, Matt?
Not bad, mate.
How's it going? Oh, your house looks good.
Worse.
What I mean?
I decorated it about 6 times because Pete kept chucking it, ripping it down.
Was he?
Yeah, look, already, ripping it down already.
Oh man, he's a muppet, isn't he? So, just popping out to say hello. Oh,
So how have you been?
not bad, about you?
Not bad, man. You want a beer?
Oh, wow, no thanks.
No.
So, how's things going?
Very badly.
Well, what's been happening?
I bought this house, my girlfriend split up, and my brothers moved in.
Your brother's moved in? Well, Pete's living here now.
Yes. Chucked me out of my bedroom, chucked me out of my bathroom.
Does he think he owns his house?
Yeah.
You need something done about him.
Yeah, I know. I might plant some drugs in his room and call the police over.
No, you don't need to do all that. You just need something to control him. Something to control him.
Look like a...
Just imagine this, over Christmas, yeah? You controlled your brother. Would you like that?
No one can control him, man.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, I've invented a new toy in my toy shop, yeah? What I do. What it is, it's a control, yeah, what controls everything. So over Christmas, you control him. You could control him doing stuff for you. That's what you need. That's what it sounds like.
Well, so you're telling me I can sort of control his universe?
Exactly, you control anything on this planet.
So I can sort of get him a job and get him out of this house?
You can get him out of this house, you can control him to make you a cup of tea, you can control him to make you your dinner, you can control him to do whatever you want.
How much? How much? How much?
I'll lend you one.
You'll lend me one?
Yeah, to see how you get on with it. Yeah? So you can control him. Whatever you want him to do, he will do. But I want you to come with me.
You want me to go with you?
Yeah. I'll show you it.
Where?
Just come. In fact, I've got it in my garage.
Garage.
Yeah, I'll keep it in my garage.
Let's go.
But come with me, yeah?
Yep.
Alright. But you can't tell him anything about this.
I'm not going to tell him about it, don't worry.
Good.
I don't tell him I've got a girlfriend now.
Good. Oh yeah, something I forgot to do.
What's that?
Shut the door. You don't want people robbing your house, do you?
No.
Yeah. Just remember, don't tell people you've got it, because it's not out in the shops yet, right? I kept one special just for me, in case I never ever needed to use it. Okay. Where did I put it?
What's this for?
Oh, that's my son's. It's broken. Ah, found it. Found it.
Oh, sweet ride, man.
Yeah, that's for sale. I'm here.
Looks like you got plenty of broken bikes.
Now look at this. You can control him. A play button makes him do whatever you want. All you do is in your mind you think what you want him to do and press play.
Has he got a volume?
It's got a volume. That's quiet, and that's when he talks louder. That's play and that's stop. You think it in your mind, yeah, and press play what you want him to do. Think in your mind. Right. Oh yeah. Also, there's pause just there. Okay. You control him, and what a great Christmas you're going to have. But I want that back. Okay. Think of one place, yeah. And also, you think of one place, and if you press that, you're there. One place.
Okay, my bedroom. Whoa!
Oh, you bring us in here? What are you bringing us in here for? Oh,
When do you get warm?
got signed pictures.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool.
Right, cheers to this.
Yeah, but I want it back.
Do you want it back?
Just remember, it's going to be a Christmas you won't forget, because you will control your brother. You're going to control Pete.
I like them ones.
Yeah. So when he comes in, he thinks he's controlling you, don't he?
Oh, yes.
But now, you got the best out of him. But don't do anything what I wouldn't do. Okay?
I wouldn't.
I let myself out.
From here on out.
What are you doing with your TV? Smart TV, turn it off now! Turn it off! Smart TV! You know what? Pulls. I've always pulls.
That you stole it. Stole it with the help of your accomplice. Teddy Lord. That's right.
Play. Smart TV! This controller.
Lowest of low.
Rewind. Play. Are you alright? Are you alright?
I'm not doing one floor.
Coming drunk, mate.
No! Do not make this a